Okay, Bill Hennessy again, the inventor of ESP, and what I'd like to do is a small demonstration of what we've developed to this point. A fellow whose name is Rick Pisano is a partner, and he's our chief engineer. He's from Precision Design in Woodstock, Georgia. Rick developed this prototype system for us, and also this demonstrator stove, which is just that. It's a prop. It's a beautiful design, but the important part of the ESP components are our controller, our electric deactivator, and on this side we have our gas deactivator. So with this setup we can demonstrate exactly how ESP functions. And I'll give a little demo with this smoke detector here. When I press the button on the smoke detector, you'll see the electric element go off immediately. Now this electric element is an LED light system, but it simulates a real stove. Here we go. Let's see if it works. Voila. So that's the electric portion of our system. Now I'll demonstrate how the gas aspect works also. Now I'm going to reset ESP, and you'll see the stove, the electric element, come on when I reset. That's how easy this will be when it's installed into a residential stove system. Bingo! The stove is now functioning normally again. Okay, we also have on our demonstrator the ability to demonstrate how the gas system works. Here we have a gas burner. We're using a propane tank, but this would be the typical type solenoid that will be installed in line on a gas system. Of course, a tech will be required to do that, unlike the electric, which can be just plugged in. But this is a working model, and I'll show you how it works. There's our gas. Now I'm going to hit the smoke detector, alarm sound, and you'll observe the gas being interrupted. It's off. So now a kitchen fire is avoided, and this is also effective for explosive gas detectors. In other words, if a building is filling up with gas or any explosive gas, whether it be propane or natural gas, we can turn off the entire building. We'll turn the main valve off so that there is no possibility of an explosion. Now, the one other feature we can demonstrate is for earthquakes with this prototype system. If the controller, which is on the wall, is moving around, vibrating on the wall, we can simulate seismic activity and show you that we can turn the entire building off. Again, we'll turn the main valve off that feeds the building, and I'll demonstrate that now. First I'll reset. I'll light the gas. And now I'm going to simulate an earthquake with the controller. I'm going to move it around a little bit, and you'll see the gas go off. Now remember, we're not trying to demonstrate we're going to turn the stove off. We're just using that to show that we can turn off the main gas line. There it goes, it's off. So in the event of an earthquake, what you generally have is rigid pipes breaking and total explosions and chaos after the event, and we can keep that from happening in the future. And that's about it with the prototype.